Ever felt like you wanted to do more than just play your favorite games? What if you could bend the rules, build your own worlds, and even turn your passion into a career? If you're a gamer, you're already halfway there. Let's unlock the cheat code to game development, learning to code. But why stop there? In today's world, coding isn't just a niche skill for developers, it's a superpower that can enhance almost any aspect of your life. For gamers, this translates to an unprecedented level of control and creativity within the digital worlds they love. Imagine not being limited by the game designer's vision. Want a new weapon? Code it. Dream of a different storyline? Code it. The ability to create and modify opens up a universe of possibilities, turning you from a passive consumer into an active architect of your gaming experience. Part 1. Level up your understanding, decoding the game world. Games aren't just pretty pictures, they're complex systems of code. Understanding this code lets you see the game from a whole new perspective. You'll start recognizing patterns, understanding game mechanics on a deeper level, and even appreciate the sheer amount of work that goes into creating the experiences you love. For example, how does that NPC know where you are? How does the physics engine calculate that perfect jump? Coding gives you the answers. You'll learn about variables, functions, and algorithms, all while seeing them in action within your favorite games. We'll start by exploring the basics of game engines and how they use code to create dynamic environments. By the end of this series, you'll be able to see games not just as entertainment, but as intricate pieces of software. Stick around for part 2, where we'll talk about creating your own games. Think of game engines as the foundation upon which these digital worlds are built. They provide the tools and frameworks that developers use to create everything from the graphics and sound to the physics and AI. Whether it's Unity, Unreal Engine, or Godot, each has its own strengths and is used to create different types of games. Diving into a game engine, you'll encounter a variety of programming languages. C++ and Python are commonly used, each serving specific purposes in the game development pipeline. Understanding these languages is crucial for manipulating game elements, scripting interactions, and ultimately bringing your creative vision to life. This newfound knowledge will not only change how you play games, but also how you think about them. You'll move from being a player to a more informed and engaged participant in the gaming world, with the potential to contribute your own unique creations. Part 2. Game Dev Dreams, Building Your Own Worlds. In Part 1, we explored how coding deepens your understanding of games. Now let's talk about taking it a step further, creating your own games. Imagine being able to bring your wildest gaming ideas to life. That's the power of coding. Whether it's a simple platformer, a complex RPG, or a unique puzzle game, the tools are out there and they are more accessible than ever. We'll walk through the basics of game development, from planning your game's design to writing the code that makes it work. We'll cover essential concepts like object-oriented programming, game loops, and asset management. Don't be intimidated by the learning curve. Starting with simple projects and gradually building your skills is key. We'll break it down into manageable steps, showing you how to create your own levels, characters, and gameplay mechanics. In the next part, we'll explore the world of game modding. This process involves learning to use a game engine, which might seem daunting at first. However, these engines are designed to be user-friendly, with plenty of tutorials and online resources available to guide you. You'll start with the basics, such as creating simple shapes and movements, and gradually progress to more complex tasks like designing intricate levels and programming AI behavior. As you become more proficient, you'll discover the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life on the screen. Whether it's creating a challenging platformer level, designing a compelling character, or implementing a unique game mechanic, the ability to build and iterate on your creations is incredibly rewarding. This hands-on experience will not only teach you valuable coding skills, but also foster your creativity and problem-solving abilities. You'll learn to think like a game designer, understanding how different elements interact to create a fun and engaging player experience. Part 3. Modding Mastery, Customizing Your Gameplay. Modding is a fantastic way to learn coding while also enhancing your favorite games. It allows you to tweak gameplay, add new features, and create entirely new experiences within games you already own. We'll explore how to access game files, understand game scripts, and use modding tools to make your own changes. We'll cover topics like scripting languages, asset replacement, and creating custom levels. Modding isn't just about changing textures or adding new weapons, it's about understanding how games are structured and using that knowledge to create unique experiences. It's a great way to learn coding while being creative and engaging with your favorite games on a deeper level. In the next part, we'll talk about how coding enhances your general problem-solving skills. Think of modding as a gateway into game development. It allows you to dissect existing games and see how they work from the inside out. By experimenting with different code snippets and assets, you gain practical experience in game design and programming. Many popular game developers started their careers as modders. They honed their skills by creating mods for their favorite games, showcasing their talent and creativity to the gaming community. Modding can be a great way to build a portfolio of projects and demonstrate your abilities to potential employers. Furthermore, modding communities provide a supportive and collaborative environment for learning. You can connect with other modders, share your work, and get feedback on your project. This collaborative aspect can accelerate your learning and help you develop valuable connections within the gaming industry. We want to help you take that passion and turn it into a career. If you're excited about the possibilities that coding offers and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll be bringing you more in-depth tutorials, industry insights, and inspiring stories from the world of game development. Your support will help us create more content to fuel your passion for coding and game creation. Let's level up together. Part 4: Code your way to problem-solving power. Gaming is inherently about problem-solving. Whether it's figuring out a boss's weakness or navigating a complex level, you're constantly analyzing situations and finding solutions. Coding takes us to the next level. Learning to code teaches you to think logically, break down complex problems into smaller parts, and develop systematic solutions. These skills are invaluable in any field, not just game development. We'll discuss how coding helps you develop critical thinking, analytical reasoning, and attention to detail. These skills are transferable and can help you excel in any career path. In our final part, we'll talk about the career opportunities that coding opens up in the gaming industry. These problem-solving skills are highly sought after in today's job market. Employers across various industries value individuals who can approach challenges methodically, analyze data effectively, and devise innovative solutions. Coding provides a structured framework for developing these abilities, making you a more competitive and adaptable candidate. Moreover, the ability to code empowers you to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and create tools that can improve efficiency in your personal and professional life. Whether it's writing a script to organize files, developing a program to analyze data, or building a website to showcase your work, coding enables you to leverage technology to solve real-world problems. By embracing coding, you not only enhance your gaming experience, but also equip yourself with a powerful skill set that can open doors to countless opportunities and empower you to become a more effective problem solver in all aspects of life. Part 5: Level up your career, coding in the gaming industry. Welcome to our final episode. The gaming industry is booming, and skilled coders are in high demand. From game developers and designers to VR/AR engineers and sports analysts, the possibilities are endless. We'll discuss the different roles available in the gaming industry, the skills required for each, and how to get started on your career path. We'll also cover the importance of building a portfolio and networking with other professionals. For example, a game programmer focuses on writing the code that brings a game's mechanics to life. They work on everything from character movement and AI behavior to networking and physics. A strong foundation in programming languages like C++ or C is essential for this role. A game designer, on the other hand, is responsible for creating the overall vision and gameplay experience. While they may not write code themselves, understanding the technical limitations and possibilities of game engines is crucial for designing feasible and engaging games. As you embark on your journey into the gaming industry, remember that continuous learning and adaptation are key. The field is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. Staying up to date with the latest advancements will not only make you a more valuable asset, but also ensure that you remain passionate and engaged in your work.